Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn this beautiful double Dutch braid. First, we need to divide the hair in three equal sections, then making the three-strand braid but in reverse direction. Then start adding the hair from both sides as you can see in the video. Continue watching the video to get the idea how to make this braid. Now start making three-strand braid but in reverse direction to complete the look. And thank you so much for watching the video till now, or do not forget to subscribe. So bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, keep practicing on your dummy. Have a great day.